Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. And today's awesome recipe is Mushroom Marsala with Barley. Check it out. So this lovely dish, Mushroom Marsala with Barley, is a wonderful Foodland Ontario recipe that you can get by going to foodlandontario.ca and checking out recipes. If you feel like this is the one you want to do or you want to see other recipes, I'm going to encourage you to go and check that out at recipes or what's available. So much Ontario awesome. So for this awesome recipe, we need to have, or want to have, definitely Ontario mushrooms. I've got sliced cremini and button here, and also a lovely Ontario onion. And I've gone with a cooking onion for this. I'm going to get my pan going, and I'm going to add some oil to the center of my pan, because I'm also going to add some butter, and I don't want my butter to burn. And the best way to get butter to heat up without burning or blackening is to put it right into the center of oil. That right there will get your butter to melt really beautifully without you having to worry about any kind of bitterness happening or any kind of blackened bits. Once this butter is melted, I'm going to be adding my mushrooms and onions together for this recipe. This is not that kind of recipe that I'm going to be doing like a caramelization or anything like that with the mushrooms or onions. But having said that, if you want to do that, you do it. I'm sure it's going to taste absolutely awesome. The other lovely parts of this are, of course, barley. I've also got some thyme, and you could use fresh Ontario thyme, or you could use dried thyme. Marsala wine, salt and pepper, and for a garnish, we've got goat cheese and parsley. So my butter has melted. I don't know if you can see this. It's actually melting really, really beautifully in the pan. There's no burnt bits or anything like that because it was right in the center of the oil. And to it, I'm going to add all of my mushrooms. The thing I found about this recipe, which is really great, is that this recipe is one of those recipes that you can half or double. It's totally up to you. The thing about the Marsala wine that's also awesome is that it's got a great flavor. You can go with sweet or dry, and it burns off. The alcohol burns off. So what I want to do is I want to add some thyme to my mushroom and my onion. And it's going to take about, I'm going to say, 15 minutes, depending on your stovetop, to soften. But once it is all soft and ready to go, what you want to do is stir in your barley. So I'm going to put my quick cook barley in. And I'm going to mix it around so it gets coated by the butter and the onion and all that goodness that is coating my mushrooms. And then in order for my barley to cook well, I am going to add my marsala. That's a great sound. And it's only going to take about 30 seconds. It's only going to take a second for this kitchen to smell amazing, but it's only going to take about 30 seconds for the alcohol to burn off. And then once that happens, and I've got my mushrooms nice and coated and everything, and they've softened, and it's beautiful, ready to go, I'm going to add my stock. All right, so now my stock is in my pot. I've got everything going. I'm going to keep the lid off. I'm going to reduce it to medium once it's kind of come up to the boil, and I'm going to let it cook so that the barley becomes nice and soft and it absorbs all of those wonderful flavors of vegetable stock or chicken stock, whatever makes you smile. The wine, the mushroom, the onion, the thyme. I'm going to put a little bit of salt and pepper in there just for, giggles. And then once it's ready and all of the water has been absorbed and your barley and your mushrooms have all come together, you're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. And then you're going to end up with this absolutely gorgeous dish. Top it off with Ontario goat cheese and some Ontario parsley and enjoy.